Here's how to enable cookies on Samsung phone in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide so you can fix sites that won't load properly, won't let you sign in, or keep logging you out. If a website keeps failing right now, this will help you fix it quickly and get back to what you were doing. First, it helps to know that cookies are small files websites use to remember you. They help keep you logged in, save preferences, and load pages correctly. When cookies are turned off, many websites simply stop working as expected. To enable cookies on a Samsung phone, start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down until you see Internet Settings and tap on it. This section controls how Samsung Internet handles websites and store data. Next, tap Cookies. You'll see an option to manage how cookies are handled. Select Allow All Cookies to make sure websites can save the information they need. Once this is turned on, Samsung Internet will allow sites to remember logins, load pages properly, and stop kicking you out unexpectedly. After enabling cookies, you can close settings and reopen the website that wasn't working before. In most cases, pages will load normally, sign-ins will work, and repeated errors or login loops will stop right away. That's all it takes. By allowing cookies through Samsung's internet settings, you're giving websites permission to function the way they're supposed to, and you can turn this on again anytime a site starts acting up.